Hi guys. In today's video, I am showing you how can you turn on Instagram quiet mode. The process will be quite simple and easy. The first thing is open your Instagram app. And once it will be open, tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right, and tap on these three lines which are at the top right. And tap on the first option, Settings and Privacy, and here is the option Notification. Simply tap on this. And you will find the option Quiet Mode on the second number. Simply tap on this. And here is the option Quit Mode. Turn it on from here. Now the quiet mode has been turned on. You can also turn it on manually from here. Here's the option Start Time. By tapping on this, you can select the start time of quiet mode. And here is the option End Time, when you will select the end time. The quiet mode will be off automatically. You can also choose the days for quit mode. So by using this method, you can turn on Instagram quiet mode easily.